Hey guys, I got a new iPhone 10s 256 GB space gray. I was actually thinking of upgrading my iPhone 10 for the simple reason that this has got two SIMs, and I have always a problem of changing my SIMs whenever I have to travel. Whenever I reach India, I put the Indian SIM, then when I go abroad I have to put the other SIM. So I thought of getting one this 256 GB, and also my watch got spoiled during the Andaman trip. I had gone to the seabed walk and it was too deep. I didn't remember that, and I finally had to spoil my watch. That watch is not working now. This is my old watch, but I had used this for almost 3 years. So, but it was still working good. Anyway, I got Apple Watch Series 4, the GPS version, not the cellular one. It's a 44 mm. So, and aluminum one also. So let's unbox it. This is my first unboxing video, so I don't know what to do. I won't be talking about too much of the specs or anything like that. It's not a technical review of the products, just an unboxing. So let's start off with bit of oh, I don't need a scissor, no? I thought I'll have to cut these things. Wow. Designed by Apple in California. Yeah, this is the space gray 256 GB iPhone 10s. So it comes with it has a headphone, charger, the usual things, nothing different.
So how many iPhones have you had so far?
I have been using iPhone since the first one. That was the first iPhone. Then 2 years, 4 years. I have used almost all the iPhones. Not the 8s or those version. After iPhone 7, I just jumped to the iPhone 10. 7s, I think. Yeah, 7s or something. After that, when they released the iPhone 10, I jumped to the iPhone 10. This is same as the iPhone 10. This is my iPhone 10. It's the size is same, so I can use the same covers or all those things. It looks the same, it feels the same. So let me switch this on.
Are you excited?
Yeah, bit. The main difference in the phone is it has a better processor and the SIM, the dual SIM feature. That's the main difference in this. Hello, swipe up to open. Yeah, English. It's now activating. When you set up the new phone, you have an option to set it up through a backup of your old phone, but I'm doing it as a new phone so that I can delete all the unnecessary applications which I have been using in my old phone. So I will register as a new phone and then install all the apps which I would need. In the meantime, I think we'll start off with this Apple Watch.
So how many Apple Watches have you had?
This is my second Apple Watch. The first one was the Series 2 and this is the Series 4. This is quite a big upgrade, I think, because of the new operating system, and the display size is quite big actually.
44 mm, right?
It's 44 mm. Hello. Express setting, continue. Keep your continue. So I got my phone started off. Okay, I'll do the remaining setup. Physically, we will be able to insert only one SIM. The second SIM is in a different way. I have a Airtel postpaid connection and it's enabled for Airtel and Jio in India. So I'm going to have my Airtel SIM converted to the eSIM. And the strap one is the latest one. It has come with this version. It's the sports strap, sports loop.
I think you seem more interested about the strap.
Yeah, I thought I should have. This is good one.
Is this the kind you can use during your workout?
I think so. I hope so. Because I use the watch. The watch is very important for me because I wear it almost 24 hours except when I go for my shower, and that is the time I charge my watch. I wear it when I sleep, and it's very good to monitor the health app. It gives a lot of information related to the workouts and all those things what I do. So it's very important for me, and for last 1 month I was not able to use the watch. Wow. Haha. This is
Looks like a capsule.
yeah, this is space gray. I wanted to buy the stainless steel one, but in most of the stores I tried, I couldn't get it in India. Even in Singapore I tried, they didn't have the stainless steel version. So that's it. So let me switch this on, and I think I'll fix this up. Hopefully this side. So it goes from here, I think. First thing is language, English, then the region.
Are you Indian?
Yeah.
Just kidding.
India. Setting the language. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. Okay, I'll do it with my new phone. There's the watch app. W-A-T. Yeah, watch app. Okay. If you watch, you can start pairing. Okay. Yeah, paired. That's it. Set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear? I wear it in my left wrist. And connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment.
So what's your favorite color, Mr. Kishore?
Space gray.
Okay.
Even my phone is space gray. I agree. I've got some cases also. The Apple.
Is it the leather or the silicone one?
This is the silicone one.
Okay.
And I've got one a metal sort of thing. This is for the first time I've got it. Let me try this. It's good. Cool.
Can you turn it on?
Yeah, see? It's good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Good.
So I've finally fixed the strap and wearing it for the first time. Wow, looks good. It's getting updated. The screen, the display is really big. It's around 33% big compared to the previous version. So side button, okay. So it's installing the softwares and all those things going on. So that's it, I think. Now I'll do one thing. I am going to enable the eSIM. I'm just trying to read the process, and I'll just try now. I'll show you how it is going to be done. Guys, to enable the eSIM, I have to upgrade to iOS 12.1. So when I brought it, it was just iOS 12. So I'm just downloading the upgrade and do that. So how to enable eSIM for your Airtel mobile on the latest iPhone XS or the XR or all those new 3 models. So what we have to do is, first thing is, you need to have your SIM in the old phone itself. don't remove it, otherwise it would be a bit of a trouble, or you can use the laptop or something like that. First you need to send an SMS from your Airtel SIM connected phone to, with a message, Esim your email ID, the registered email ID, to the number 121. So let's try that. 121, and I have to send a message ESIM, my email ID, KISH. So what has happened is, now I send an SMS, I got a message to confirm it. I send one as the confirmation. Immediately I got an automated call again to reconfirm it. They have asked me to key in a number to reconfirm it, so I have done that. Now they have sent me a message that I'll be receiving a QR code which would be used to register the eSIM. So I've got received the email with the QR code. Now I'm going to try to scan the QR code and activate it. Go to the settings of the iPhone and click on mobile data. Okay, mobile data. Add data plan.
So this is your old phone?
Scan QR code. Yeah.
So which is your new phone?
I've scanned the QR code. So it gives add data plan. Shows activating. The old phone will work till this eSIM is activated.
So how long will it take for the eSIM?
Usually it will take around 2 hours. I just did it. I'll just confirm it once it is activated.
Okay.
I'm putting the SIM which I use abroad. So when I inserted the SIM, it asked for a data plan, adding a data plan, and I have an option to select which kind of data plan is. And I have for my international SIM, I have put it as a business data plan, and my Indian SIM I put it as a primary data plan. And I put continue. Default line, use primary will be available for phone and SMS. Use business as your default line, use primary as your default line. Okay, so it means that the SIM would be on standby. At a time you would be using only one SIM. Here what it says is primary will be available for phone and SMS. Okay, so when I use primary is as your, I can keep changing this actually whenever I need. Primary for mobile data only, so I can switch the things what I want to, how I want to use the SIM, which SIM I want to use as primary, which SIM I want to use as secondary. There is an option here. I think so, I'm not sure, I'm using it for the first time. Let's see how it works. So guys, I got the two SIMs activated. So this is the primary and this thing. Now in the settings, there are a few settings which you can, you go to the mobile data, you can set the mobile data, primary, data roaming, default line. Now which one, I have two numbers, I can set the default line. So even in fact you can add more than one eSIM, you can add multiple eSIM, but at a time you can use only one. But you can assign how to use the voice calls or the data from which number, all those things can be done. So let me start using it and give you feedback later in a future video. So that's all for now.